Well, hi everybody. I wasn't intending to make a video like this, but I ran across something that I thought, yeah, I need to make a quick little YouTube video about this. I've made one similar before where there was a kind of a crazy Star Wars tie-in. It caught me by surprise, and so I was standing in line at a CVS getting some stuff for dinner. I was getting some cheap wine. Don't judge. And so I'm standing in line behind this lady who had a super challenging coupon transaction. I guess it was a good 5-minute wait, and I saw these. So there's 3 of these. How about this? 3 of these guys. These are Star Wars The Mandalorian branded hand sanitizer. Because everybody knows that our little friend Grogu is a huge fan of hand sanitizers. And really disinfectants of all kinds. So I saw these, and my first thought was, what? Why? My second thought was, well, I'm clearly their target demographic. You know, and this video is proof of that. So, I don't know what Star Wars has to do with hand sanitizer, but these bottles are pretty adorable, right? There's Grogu in his creche. Can I do some? There we go. Grogu in his creche. We have Grogu peeking out from the, well, I guess the left side of the bottle. And Grogu kind of being cute right in the middle of the bottle. These were the 3 varieties they had, so of course I had to pick all 3. I haven't tried these yet. I imagine they work. But why the different labels? Why the 3 different colors? Only one of which is green. I guess this one has a bit of green in it. I expect that this is just a combination of these 2. Do they have different scents? Do they have different formulas? Do they taste different? Okay, I'll try the other ones, just not that last one. Let's give one a shot. Let's go with this blue one. Oh, okay. So there's a little bit of safety foil. Does it smell like anything? It smells like hand sanitizer. That's it. I don't detect any smells. Well, let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's my hands feel sanitized. It's actually not bad. It doesn't have some of the residue that other sanitizers might have. And the smell kind of goes away pretty quickly. I'm going to try this other one just because. I don't expect it to smell any different. Since the first one didn't have any discernible smell, this one probably won't either. This one's a little harder. Yeah, it smells the same as the other one, and I think I know what I'm smelling. I'm smelling really cheap vodka, like the kind you buy in like a 2-gallon jug for $7. Yeah. Okay, now I'm extra sanitized. Oh, it's gonna sting. Oof. I'm wearing a little bandage because I injured myself doing some home repairs at my girlfriend's house. So if I get any on this thing, and I'm not going to show you because that's just gross. I changed my mind. Want to see it? Ah! Yeah. I dropped a mirror on my hand. It didn't break, but I wasn't expecting to drop a mirror. Anyway. Okay. Yeah. So I feel sanitized. Last one. Smells exactly the same. So, there we go. This is gonna get in my wound. I can just feel it coming. I'm trying to avoid it. Yep. It's hand sanitizer, all right. So, is this product for you? A, you need hand sanitizer? Check. B, you love some Grogu. So there it is. If you can check off those two boxes, then absolutely buy these. I think I paid 99 cents for them each. So, it's not bad. You need hand sanitizer. You don't want to catch the Rona, do you? Anyway, I thought it was silly and cute and perfect for kind of a one-off video. I will warn you though, if I see any other The Mandalorian wacky merchandising tie-ins, come see me, because I'm going to buy it. It's just who I am. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a very nice morning, afternoon, evening, day, night, weekend, whatever. Have a great one. Bye. There we go.